In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and review of a very unique home improvement product. What's the product, price, pros and cons, how to use it, all the details about the product coming up. This is a combination safe by Luxor that can be wall mounted near your door to safely keep your house keys, car keys or any key that can fit into this small box. You can even install it over your door. So the packaging is pretty neat. The box was slightly torn but no damage has been done to the actual product. So this is the product. So it's quite heavy. So to open this, first we have to remove this flap and click this button. The factory number is set to 0. So if you click this, this will open like this. So inside this we have this plate. This plate is to be used with this and the screw. These are normal nails to do the wall mounting of the product. Pros and cons. The pros. Number 1. Sturdy and weather resistant. This combination key safe box is very sturdy, weather resistant and hangs anywhere. Its reinforced modeled body is built to last and helps to withstand hammering and sawing. A shutter door protects the combination dials from weather, dirt and grime for a very long time. Number 2. Convenient solution for safekeeping of keys. This key holder offers a convenient locking solution that holds up to 4 house or car keys. Now you'll always know where exactly your keys are and you need not trouble your neighbor for the safekeeping of your keys. Number 3. Convenience of setting your own password or access key. This key safe offers up to 10,000 combination possibilities and it's more secure than a key lock and gives you the option of resetting the combination whenever you wish. It's so easy to operate that even kids can use it. Now the cons. I could only find 2 cons with this product. Number 1, the box is quite small and cannot hold bulky or long keys. Number 2, I had to attach a small wall hook inside the key holder to place my keys into it. So now let me show you how this thing works. This is how the lock looks. Okay, the factory is set to 0. When you click it like this, now this is locked. It is set to 0. If you push this open, this will open. So your screws will go through these 4 points. You can keep your keys inside this and put this like this and lock and close this shutter. Now let's see how to reset the access key to the lock holder. Now you want to change the lock to the number that you want. First we set it to the factory reset, that is 0000. Reset. Let's open the lock and now here you can see a A and a B. There is a lever here. You press this lever, push it to B. So after you push it to B, you choose the number that you want. Let us say I want to put it at 1111. Okay. Now the lock has been set to this number. Then we push this back to A. And then now the new number is set to 1111. So see, you close this like this. Now to open it, we have to press 1111 and push this lever and this will open. This has to be wall mounted. When it is on the wall, I will not be able to show you this. That's why I am showing you. Now the number is set to 1111. Again, if you want to reset it back to something else, A to B position, and then set your number, whatever number you want to. Let us say I want to set it to 1 2 3 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have set. There is a line here. The numbers have to be aligned properly on that line. So now I have set the desired number that I want. Again from B, I'll put this back to A. Then now if I lock, this is the number that I have set. And then when I'm walking away, I just lock this and leave. Someone who wants to open this up, they have to come and open this first. Put the number, whatever you have put. Once it is put to your number, then just open this and your keys can be retrieved from inside. So you can set this key as many times as you want. First of all, this is completely tamper proof because once it is wall mounted, there is no way you can open it from anywhere, and this is to protect your number lock from dirt and water and everything, because this is going to be outdoor. It is advisable that every week you turn this dial once so that the numbers don't get jammed. So now this is the lock for you.
How to install the key safe? The key holder comes with pre-drilled holes and it is super easy to install.
These are used to mount this to the wall. Now let's mount this on a wall and check it out.
Just drill 4 holes in the wall and all necessary mounting hardware is included in the box. Rating. I have used this product for more than 1 year now and I rate it a 4.5 out of 5. I only feel that the box itself could be a little bigger to accommodate bigger keys. Other than that, this product is absolutely fantastic and very easy to use. I have included a product link in the description box below for you to check out. The current market price for this product on Amazon is $1,199 and the price keeps changing. I hope you like this video. If so, please hit the like button. Write your comments below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Share this video with friends and family. Thanks for watching.